My Dashboard allows users to create, collate and display tiles on a customized dashboard, presenting up-to-date call data specific to requirements. Each login has its own My Dashboard display. The My Dashboard menu minimizes to a vertical bar on the left side of the screen. My Dashboard menu options include Home to return the user to the home screen, Create Tile, this is to create a new tile to add to the dashboard, Import Profile, which allows users to select and import another user's profile, Rearrange, which allows the user the opportunity to rearrange the order of My Dashboard tiles, Publish, which allows the logged in user to project their dashboard onto a secondary screen, and finally Refresh. The menu also displays a list of My Dashboard tiles, which are those created by the user, and other users' tiles, which can be selected and added to the My Dashboard display by clicking the tile name or by using the round Load Tile button. There are two ways to create tiles for My Dashboard. The first is to use the Create Tile icon in My Dashboard. Create Tile is a wizard that enables tiles to be created. To access the tile creator, go to the Create Tile in the top menu of My Dashboard. First, you need to select the type of tile you wish to display from General Business Analytics or Call Center Analytics. You will then be able to select the style of tile you wish to display from Wallboard or Table. If Wallboard is selected, choose which metric you wish the tile to display. If Table is selected, choose the data you wish to include from Department, Division, Extension or unreturned missed call data. Then select the columns for the table. The final steps are to name the tile. Select any filters to refine the data, and for Wallboard tiles you can also select the background colour. Once a system message appears confirming that the tile has been created, you can either close the browser and return to My Dashboard or continue in Live Tile Creator. You can also create a tile from any report within the reports catalogue. Once you have selected the report that you wish to view in My Wallboard, click on the Create Tile icon in the top right and follow the on-screen instructions.